Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Studies Code. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. This session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when this session comes, you all get notified. Let's start this morning with enthusiasm and the zest to learn, okay? Not wasting any single second, let's start and discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss is lauded. This is the same word that I asked you in the previous session. So, some of you answered and some of you didn't. I would appreciate if all of you participate. It actually also enhances your learning. Plus, the words that you're going to answer will get imprinted in your brain for a way longer period. Coming back, we have the first word as lauded. Lauded means highly praised or admired. So somebody is highly praised or admired, and this happens because of their actions. So if they have done something really nice, that they are appreciated or praised. The picture here shows a couple of people that are lauding a particular person. This person could be you as well. Once you reach your goals, once you have done everybody proud, you will also be lauded. So, till the time you reach your goal, make sure to be consistent and keep on going. I believe in you, and lots of other people do so. So, keep on going, keep having that strong focus towards life. Okay, the sentence here is her much lauded rendering of Lady Macbeth. So, how she rendered Lady Macbeth, this is the quality that she has been lauded for or praised for also. Here we also see a word rendering or render. This is one of the words that we discussed in recent sessions only. So if you're following us and you're keeping up with us, you must be knowing the meaning, and you have to answer me the meaning of this word in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your participation. Coming to the synonyms, we have praise, extol, and hail. And the antonyms are condemn and criticize. Next word is ostracize. Ostracize means to refuse to allow somebody to be a member of a social group or to refuse to meet or talk to somebody. So you're basically trying to avoid that person. You're trying not to talk to that person. You form a particular group in which you're not allowing that person to enter, and all of you decide not to talk. The image will make it very, very clear. Here you could see a group of girls, and they are ostracizing a particular other girl here. So they are removing him, her, or avoiding her. The sentence here says colleagues ostracized him for not taking part in a strike. So all of the colleagues, they participated in the strike and he was not part of it. Therefore, they decided to avoid him because he did not participate in that particular strike that all of them did. The synonyms are exclude, shun, and sprung. Okay, and the antonyms here are welcome, accept, and include. Next word for today is exodus. Exodus means a situation in which many people leave a place at the same time. So all of those people are moving out of that particular place at the same time. This kind of situation is also seen in Israel, right? We seeing this because that particular area is a war zone right now. So most of the people are trying to leave that particular country because of the Israel and Gaza war. So they are all trying to leave. Okay, so that is the situation also there. Coming to the sentence, we have our elections seem to promote a little more than a mass exodus to the park. So they are trying to promote a little more of lots of people trying to shift from that particular place or you leave that particular place. The synonyms are withdraw and exist, and the antonyms are pretty simple: arrival. Exact opposite of it. Next word we have is onslaught. Onslaught means a violent or a strong attack. So you're trying to attack somebody, so you're trying to onslaught them. The example here are Apple. This is a company has faced an onslaught from competitors like Dell and Sony. So they have faced attacks here. Here we are not referring to as physical attacks, but a competitor to competitor attack. The synonyms here are assault and attack, and the antonyms here are retreat or surrender. Next word is gamut. Gamut means the complete range or scope of something. So you're considering the complete range or scope of particular thing. It could be land, it could be colors, it could be anything. A scope of anything, the syllabus as well. The image here shows the scope of lots of colors here. Okay. Here the sentence says, we are here to offer advice across the whole gamut of financial services. So you're trying to provide a complete range of financial services advice on all of them. Okay. Similar word we see as gambit. Gambit is also a word that we come across. Okay. This word is used in a particular game that people play. Magnus Carlsen is also associated with this particular game. Okay, mention the name of the game in the comments if you know that. Okay, coming to the synonyms, we have range, spectrum, and scope, and the antonyms here are extreme. Little bit different here. Okay, next we have the word unearth. Unearth means to dig something up out of the ground to discover something that was hidden. So you're trying to unearth it. Okay, unearth it. So you're trying to dig it out of the ground. Whatever is hidden, you're taking it out. The image also depicts the same, and the sentence will also make it very clear. Archaeologists have unearthed a Roman tomb. So they dig deep into the earth and they have found a Roman tomb there. The synonyms are exhume and disinter. Both of them are important, both of them are different, and I'll star mark both of them. Pay extra attention of them. Then we have the antonym as bury. Simple. Next, we have the word remorse. Remorse means a deep regret coming from a sense of guilt from past work. So you must have done something wrong in your past, because of which you feel guilt and you regret it, and therefore you are feeling the remorse about it. The example here says they showed desperation, ruthlessness, and remorse among other things. So they showed it here. It could be assaulters, attackers that showed this particular kind of feelings. The synonyms here are contrition, repentance, guilt, and penitence. Okay, the antonyms here are indifference. Indifference, that is, you did something wrong, but you do not feel anything towards it. So you're indifferent about it. Next, we have the word for the day, which is stiff. It's a pretty easy, simple word I've chosen. I hope all of you answer the meaning of this particular word in the comment section. And please do participate if you're watching it. Make sure to like this, because if you like the session, one like might not mean a lot to you guys, but it means a lot to us. And it gives us the motivation to bring this session every day exactly at 9 for you guys. Okay. So make sure to like this session. In the comments, answer the questions that we asked. We asked merely 3 questions in this entire session. So I am hoping that you all answer that. And if you have any other feedback related to the session, make sure to answer that as well. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I'll end this session here. If you want the PDF of the particular session, you can find it on our Telegram channel. There we upload the PDFs every day on a daily basis, and also conduct various kind of quizzes also that you might find very attractive and interactive. So make sure to join that as well. With that being said, I hope that you have a very great and powerful day, and we'll end this session here. Thank you for watching.